Guys, ali guys, palitan ko ni Hani og buffalo.
See, now we don't gotta go to the restaurant. What?
It's green already. Come here. Thank you, my love.
Take from the top.
I don't know.
You're grabbing my hand, not the thing. I'm not gonna turn my hand upside down and pour it out.
Ali guys, nagutom ko guys kay layo ang among drive-an. Kaon tayo guys, nuggets.
I don't want.
Palitan ko niyag nugget.
Oh, look at the happy tail lights. You see them?
2-hour drive ang among restaurant na atuan. 2-hour drive sani?
38-minute drive. It's 2 hours till we can get in. Now it's about a little over an hour before we can get in. See the happy tail light?
Palangga tanghan. Palangga. Wow, look at those honey, this poor truck there in the middle.
I know. Not driving well.
That's super dangerous.
It's more dangerous if they're actually moving, but he's trying to get over in the lane and he wasn't really waiting for someone to let him go. He just took it, which I guess sometimes you have to do. Because sometimes people just won't let you.
Drive nami guys, padulong sa restaurant. Igutom man ko kay wa man ko naniud to. De, petan kong hanig nugget. Pangtaa ang bana nga butan, ayaw nang adunahan.